This song has 2 to 3 main patterns. We're going to start with the verse pattern on an A flat, that's A flat, C, E flat chord. Then to a C minor, C, E flat, G. Up to a D flat chord, everything moves up a half step, D flat, F, A flat. And then ending back on home on that nice A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat. In one hand, it could look like this. 1 chord per measure. Start on A flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get A flat, 2, 3, 4. C minor, 2, 3, 4. D flat, 2, 3, 4. A flat, 2, 3. We'll do it twice. Up to the D flat and the A flat. And then we add a tag, D flat, to an F minor, F, A flat, C, to an E flat, G, B flat. Those last 3 chords happen whenever the title of the song is said. It happens at the end of the verse, on its way into the chorus, and it happens at the end of the chorus on its way back into the verse. So those last 3 chords again were D flat, F, A flat. Title of the song onto the F, A flat, C. Resolve down to the E flat major, E flat, G, B flat. In 2 hands, that first verse could look like this. 2, 3, 4, start on A flat, C minor, D flat major, A flat. Repeat again. 2, 3, 4, C minor, D flat major, A flat. Tag. Restart. This chorus pattern has 3 main chords, starting on D flat, F, A flat, going to an A flat for half as long, A flat, C, E flat, and ending on an E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat, also just for half as long. We'll do that twice, and then add that title tag of 3 extra chords. Let's start on the D flat. D flat gets 4 beats. The A flat and the E flat get 2 beats. In one hand, it could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. Tag, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Be back to a verse. In 2 hands, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this. Starting on a D flat major for 4 beats, the other chords get 2 beats. We'll do this 3 times, and then add our tag. 2, 3, 4.